Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I hope you can join me here on YouTube. We're going to be making this super cute little number. You're going to pull this out and boom, we've got a fun surprise. All right. So I designed this little mechanism here to hold the box. All right. So when you slide it out, it comes out. So this is a cube box, but I jazzed it up. I did some removable frames, so you'll be able to remove that. I made some shaker windows, and I'll show you how to do all of that. There is a cutting guide and private videos available for you guys to purchase. I will link you down below. There's also SVG files, so you do not have to cut any of this out. All right, your machine cuts it for you if you want it. The private files show you assembly and manual cutting. If you can't use your SVG files and you just use a knife and a ruler like I do most of the time, I give you those videos on how to do it manually. But if you have a cutting machine, why not? I even have SVG files for the envelope, for all of the angles. You don't have to cut it manually. But again, if you don't have a cutting machine, the videos are there for you. So you've got a nice little bumper case here. Put that in there. And you can put photos on this thing if you want, whatever you want, guys. It doesn't matter. Oh, I totally forgot. Another exciting part. There's also room for a message here. So this is if once you pull the message out, and I didn't cut my piece, but it slips all the way through here. All right, all the way through. So when you pull it out, that's what you see. So if you want to put a note, your sentiment for a card, you can do that here. If you want to do photos here, you absolutely can. And again, you can pull these out. They're interchangeable. Even the backs of the shaker boxes you can still pull out. All right, so I'm super excited about this project. This is called Envelope Surprise in my shop. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.